पिंपळा येथील युटोपिया इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल येथे आज विज्ञान प्रदर्शन व बाल आनंद मेळाव्याचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. या उपक्रमात विद्यार्थ्यांनी अतिशय छान सादरीकरण केले. तसेच बाल आनंद मेळाव्यात देखील विद्यार्थ्यांनी विविध खाद्यपदार्थांचे स्टॉल लावून त्या पदार्थांची विक्री केली. या प्रसंगी विद्यार्थ्यांच्या पालकांसह शिक्षक व पर्यवेक्षक यांनी देखील विद्यार्थ्यांनी बनवून आणलेल्या पदार्थांचा आस्वाद घेतला.
Hello, my name is Nidhi Ajay Pagare. I live in Jalga at Pimplala. My school name is Utopia English Medium School. Today's my topic is animal around us. We see different kinds of animal around us. Lion, giraffe, deer, bear, elephant, zebra, fox, tiger, it. This animal live in jungle and they are called wild animals. Dog, cat, rabbit, parrot, this animal we keep in our home for our entertainment, called pet animal. Cow give us milk. We get meat from sheep. We get wool from goat. Eggs from hen. Water, fish, frog, tortoise, this animal, water animal. Thank you. Hello, I am a boy. My name is Laresh Ravindra Majan. I live in Jalgaon and Pimpla. The name of my school English medium school. Today I am going to present here about Earth. The Earth looks like a big green and blue ball from space. I think it made up of land and water. Thank you. I am studying junior KG. I live in Jalgaon at Pimpala. My school name is Utopia English Medium School. Today I am present good habits and safety. Now I will explain one by one. See, we should go to bed on time. We should get up early in the morning. We should brush our teeth every day. We should bath every day. We should wear clean clothes. We should wash our hands before eating. We should complete our homework on time. We should respect our elders. Don't pluck the flowers. Be kind with animals. Don't play on the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Follow the traffic signals. Thank you. Hello, I am a girl. My name is Vedika Akshay Patil. Live in Jalgaon at the Pimpla. Name of my school Utopia English Medium School. My project name is railway station, ticket counter, tree, train, railway pantry, terrace, chair, bookstore, CD. Thank you.